Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the ZenPoP box for the month of July. This is their new design on the box. There is Luna saying hello, greetings from Japan. And as I opened it up, I see our new and I'm going to say improved little newsletter. So says, hello, get ready to sizzle this summer. They handpicked our Japanese goodies. So as you know, ZenPoP makes all sorts of boxes. They make subscription boxes for ramen and snacks and gotchi anime. And I am opening up the stationery box. Let's take a look what we've got this month. Before we do that, they have a little cultural description here talking about Matsuru, which I guess means Japanese festivals. And in the summertime, they hold a lot of summer Matsuru festivals in many of the towns and cities across Japan. So they talk about all the music and the food and what kind of things you can do at the festivals. And the fun fact of the month is there are over 300 festivals or Matsuru celebrated annually in Japan. So yeah, love it, love it, love it. I know I'm kind of rushing over it, but I do want to get to the items in the box. I am going to put a code on the screen to get $5 off of your box if you're interested. This is my favorite stationery box in the marketplace. Okay, let's see what we have. Now this is so cute. So what do you think this is? This looks like a panda bear's behind, and it is a sticky notepad. How cute is that? You got little sticky notes. So that is the first item. Oh my goodness, this is like one of those fidgety things. I don't think I'm going to be able to put that down. Then we got some habit tracker notes. Check it out. And they actually give you an example of what you might use it for. I use habit tracking for lots of things. Exercise, studying my languages. I study Spanish all the time. So these are also little sticky notes that you can put in your planner and customize how you want to do it. There are 30 trackers, 10 sheets of 3 designs. So another great item. So the next item, let's see what it is. This is tape in a little dispenser. So like all their items, this is extremely cute. What you do, oh, so sweet. This is sticky tape, and you use it to tape down things in a planner. Very nice. That's almost too cute to even use that. Okay, the next thing we have is a change marker. So this is kind of interesting. Let me show you what this is about. I've got a pad of paper. I want to demonstrate exactly what this does. So this is a marker. Mine is in purple. And I think the colors might vary. I'm not sure. You might get purple too. So it's just a regular purple marker. And then this side of the marker will change the colors. So let's check it out. Oh, wow. I've never seen this before. And as you can see, it changes the color, the purple to pink. Let me see if I can get that in focus for you. That is so nice. I love it. I love it. So by itself, it's just going to write clear. So you can use this in all sorts of ways. So let me just show you the marker tip once again, because I did go through that a little fast. So even if you just type the word love, see this one more time. This is so neat. It automatically changes color to the pink, from purple to pink. This is the coolest marker in my inventory as of this moment. That is really ideal. I love that. And then they gave us some free cut stickers. This is great for your planner. It says no scissors are needed. It's for your diary or calendar. And I believe it's just this one sheet. Let's go take a look. And they're actual peel off stickers that you don't even have to cut. They're perforated. So 3 different colors of those stickers. Very cool. These are great to put on a calendar in the individual boxes because you can also write on them. That's wonderful. Now this item right here, I also have never seen one of these before. This is actually a page holder for a book. Let's take a look at it. It's a cute novelty item, and they give, it's called a pop-up notebook. They give you 2 of them. So, pop-up note mark, excuse me. So you get 2 of them right here, and they have sticky tape. So what you do with these, these are adhesive, so I'm not going to stick them on there, but you stick them on in your planner or a book you're reading to hold the page. So I would be very careful when using these because this is very sticky and it's going to stick to the paper. So you might want to use it in a book that maybe the pages are a little laminated. But it's a really cute novelty item for a page holder in a book. Okay, never seen that before. And then we got some paper, 48 sheets. There are 4 different designs. This I like because this has so many uses that you can use for junk journaling, in your planner, in creating mixed media art. And I love the patterns on here. So let's go through the individual patterns. They have this really cute lemon, blue and lemon pattern. Apples. And it's blank on the other side. Now this paper is also a little on the thin side, so if you're doing origami, this would probably make great origami paper. This is really unique. I don't have any papers with melons on them. I really like this the best. I think the melons are my favorite. I mean, come on. Check out that cantaloupe and that honeydew. Really nice. And then, of course, the last one is peaches. So again, this is great for origami if you're into origami, or creating mixed media spreads in your journal, or just creating really fun happy mail. So that is the paper. And then the last thing in the box, and I have to tell you, we got 9 items in this box. That is really fantastic. This is called a sandwich notebook. Let me open it for you guys. The reason they call it a sandwich notebook is because the bread is the outside cover, and then they have little note sections. Then they've titled them shrimp, avocado, egg, and tomato salsa. So it's grid paper. The whole notebook is the grid. And then each section is, I just want to make sure I have this correctly. The sections are broken down. You have the shrimp section. The avocados. Really pretty graphics. The eggs. And lastly, the tomato salsa. This is a really nice notebook. I love working on grid paperwork. And again, this is perfect for a purse or your backpack. So I actually think this is one of the most perfect notebooks I ever had, because who has a sandwich notebook? This is an A5 size, 112 pages. So you're going to get a lot of bang for your buck in this notebook. And how unique is that, to have the sections broken down like a sandwich? Love it. And then the last item in the box, I almost missed this. This is a friction stamp by Pilot. What it is, it's already built-in stamp for you. So let me demonstrate. What it's going to do is stamp little squares. On the back of it, it shows you exactly what it's going to stamp. Oh, those are perfect. And you can go ahead and make bullets in your journal using this stamp. To-do lists, checklists, and this part right here, this rubber end at the other end, supposedly acts as an eraser. And sure enough, it erases the stamp pretty much totally off the page. So, great idea. I love this. I don't have many of these kind of stamps, a friction stamp, though in the past box they did give us different stamps of different things. So let's just do a really quick recap. We got the friction stamp. We have the sandwich notebook, which is just too adorable. We have 48 sheets of paper. I mean, does this scream summer or what? It sure does. We have the change marker. It will go down purple and it will change to pink. You can see right there. We have these funky, two funky bookmark thingies, which I'm going to have to figure out how to use, and actually even figure out what kind of paper I want to stick this to. You want to be careful with that one. We have the peel off little labels. No scissors needed for your diary or your calendar. We have the tape. We'll tape down paper in your planner. And the last thing we have, oh no, two more things. We have the little habit tracker sheets that you could customize by writing down what you're tracking in the colored section of the habit tracker. And lastly, we have this panda butt pad, little sticky notes of a panda butt. This is like too cute. I'm going to have to watch this because I think this is like, if I had little kids around, they'd probably want to steal this. But my son, my big son, might, yeah, he might come and explore my desk and want to take it too. I don't know. This is the July box, 9 items. Wow. I am like, I don't know what to use first because they're all such a great variety of items, and I love it. I love this box. I love each and everything, especially these papers. These papers are going to have a lot of fun making cool mixed media things in them. Check out those melons. I just can't get over melon paper. I don't know. I digress. But if you are interested in getting your own ZenPoP box, I have a link that you can use, and you can get $5 off with Jane 5. Try it out. It's free shipped to the United States, which I love, and you can get all these cool things too. And if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.